On one sunny day, Rashid and his brother Rami decided to have a picnic by the river. Rashid wore a blue t-shirt and red trousers to run, and Rami wore a red t-shirt and green shorts to fish. They put their rug near the river, Rami said.
Listen to the river. Roar. I like the river's rippling.
He threw his rod and started fishing.
Look, look, a rabbit. He ran to catch it.
But then they heard rrr, skrrr. The grass and trees moved slowly. They felt afraid and ran back home.
Now, kids, do you think there was something hiding between the trees and grass? Or was it just the sound of grass moving when the wind comes? By the river near a rock, Rashid and Rami took their walk. They spread a rug, saw fish by the rod, a rabbit ran. Oh my, by God! Rashid began to run and read. The sound goes rrr, rrr, Rami said. Was it the wind behind the tree or something hiding? What could it be?